In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Hostinger website in this step-by-step tutorial for 2025. Whether you're running a personal blog or a business site, embedding a calendar can help you stay organized and keep your visitors informed about upcoming events, meetings, or available appointments. Let's dive right in and take this journey step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, locate the Websites option at the top of the interface. Click on Websites to proceed. This is where you'll manage and configure the sites you've hosted with Hostinger, and it's your gateway to adding great features like a calendar. After clicking on Websites, you'll be taken to a list of all the websites and cities you manage through Hostinger. Find the specific website where you want to add a calendar, and then click on Edit Website. This button will allow you access to modify and customize your site's content and functionalities. Just make sure you've selected the right website, especially if you're managing multiple sites. Once on the website editing page, look for an option that mentions entering code, such as HTML or similar. Clicking here is critical, as this is where we'll be adding the calendar code. This step might seem a bit technical, but don't worry, it's more straightforward than it sounds. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Google Calendar. Ensure you are logged into the right Google account where your calendar is hosted. When in Google Calendar, locate the Settings and Sharing option, which is usually found on the sidebar. This will allow you to configure how your calendar appears and interacts with your website. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the section labeled PMN Online. You may have different options here, but focus on settings that ensure your calendar is publicly accessible, as private calendars won't display properly. Now locate the option that allows you to embed code. This code is essential as it is the HTML code snippet that you'll embed into your website. Copy that embed code carefully. Once you have it, return to the Hostinger website edit page where you originally clicked to enter the code. Paste your Google Calendar embed code into the text box provided, ensuring no additional spaces or characters are misplaced, as this might cause issues with how your calendar displays. Finally, make sure to look over your embedded code for any errors and hit the Update Website button. This action saves your changes and ensures that the calendar is live and functional on your site. By doing this, you're allowing your calendar to seamlessly integrate with your website, providing value to your visitors and helping you keep everything organized and aligned. That's all. You've successfully added a calendar to your Hostinger website. It should now be displaying accurately for all your visitors to see and interact with. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials that will help you make the most of your online presence.